Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher Ampan. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show the process of installing custom recovery on Samsung M52 5G device. After watching and following this tutorial, you will be able to install the TWRP custom recovery and also Orange Fox custom recovery or PBRP custom recovery on this device. So let's get start our video and see how we can do this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Okay guys, first of all, you are required to unlock the bootloader of this Samsung M52 5G device. So if you don't know the way of unlocking the bootloader of this device, you can refer to the video that I have already added to the description of this video to unlock the bootloader of this device. After that, you can continue the installation process of a custom recovery on this device. So to do that, you need to turn off your device. Now you need to have a working data cable and you need to connect that cable into your device while pressing your volume up and down keys. Now you will be able to come up with this type of a screen. Then you need to press the volume up button again to continue to the download mode of your device. As the next step, you need to open your PC and you need to install the USB drivers, which means the Samsung USB drivers. You can download this driver from the given links in the description of this video and install them on your PC. Then you need to extract your Odin file like this. You are required to have this patched Odin file to install a custom recovery on your device. Then you need to have this patched VB file. Okay friends, when it comes to here, you can see there are many more files here. However, you need to find this recovery image file and you need to right click on it, then go to show more options. Here you will be able to find 7reset application. You can install this application also from the given links in the description of this video. Then you need to find this add to archive option. Here you need to select the tar format, TAR, then click on OK. Here you have the file that you want to install as the recovery of your device. Now you need to extract and open the Odin application, which means the patched Odin. Now you need to reconnect your device into your PC. Then it will identify it by this Odin application like this. Now you need to select your recovery image file into the AP partition. Here's the file which we have created right now. Then click on open. Then click on the user data partition and select the VB meta file. Now go to options and turn off this auto reboot option. Then click on start. Now our flashing process is completed. Now you need to press and hold all of your keys together like this, including the power button, volume up and down keys. This will reboot your device. If you are getting into this kind of screen, you can press and hold your keys together till past in the screen, or you can release the all keys and as soon as you need to press your volume up key and power key together till your device getting into the recovery mode. Sometimes this recovery mode on Samsung M52 device won't support to touch all the parts normally, which means your touch will not work here. So to overcome that problem, I am using a mouse like this. I am using a mouse with this OTG adapter. Now I am going to connect my mouse into the phone. Here you can see I have connected my mouse. So how we can fix our booting problem? You need to go to this swipe option. Now do a normal reset. Press back button. Now go to format date option. Here you need to type yes like this. then press this enter button. This will format all the data included in your internal memory, and click on reboot system. Okay friends, when it comes to here, you can see we have successfully installed the TWRP custom recovery on our Samsung M52 5G device. So with that, I'm going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.